So if you have this error with the library, it says something glance app widget. There is no like full solution as of right now. So you need to wait for some Google update. But as a temporary solution, this has some upvotes. So you can just tap on the pen just tap and hold on the error message. You should be able now to change the style. Choose any different style and close it, and then it should appear again. You can now change the style back to the one you had before, and then that should solve the issue, at least temporary. But also wait, I just screenshotted some other fix. I was just looking all over internet. So this can also fix. I was be unable to fix it just by removing and added a new at a glance widget. So if you tap and hold and tap customize, you can see turn off option. You can click on that, and then it can help to remove it. But again, this is a temporary fix for 24 hours.